Hi, this is Bill Sugar, your 6010 instructor, and in this screencast we're going to show you how to edit an existing page, just like that index page that we uploaded to the my web server, and how to create new pages. Before that, I forgot to mention one important thing. It's very important when you think of titles for your files is that it's either one word, or if you have to use more than one word, you put in spaces or underscores. So if you see these templates, they're more than one word, but I've basically created them where it's underscore, underscore, underscore. And this one is underscore, underscore, and this one has two underscores. And the thing is that you cannot have any blank spaces in your file names. That's a big no-no. It causes many problems. So please, please, please either have one word file names, or if you feel compelled to describe your file with more than one word, be sure to use underscores. Okay? Promise? Okay. Now, what we're going to do to either edit, modify existing HTML file, or create new HTML files, we're going to get authoring, a web authoring system. And these are in the starter kit. And you have a choice. You could either use NewView or Blue Griffin. And you don't really have a choice because it really depends on your operating system. So if you have Windows or a Mac OS 10.6, or actually this should be 10.5 or lower, you will use NewView. If you have 10.6 or higher, it should be Blue Griffin. And so I have Blue 10.6 or higher, so I downloaded Blue Griffin before this screencast. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to go into Blue Griffin. And the icons of Blue Griffin. Do you see that? Huh. Now, the important thing is that even though I'm not showing you EnView, it's basically the same operations and concepts. I used to use EnView, but then I got a new Macintosh, and now I have to use Blue Griffin. So it's basically the same operation, same thing. So don't feel like it's a different language, if you will. It's the same operations and the same concepts. It's simple, very similar tasks, and it might not be the same name, but you should be able to find it. If not, send me a screencast and I'll help you. Now, we're going to edit that index file. And to do that is that we're going to go Open File. We have to find it. It's under PD Portfolio. Be sure to find, you remember where yours is. We're going to open this up, and here it is. It's pretty generic, isn't it? Oh my gosh, no, PD is not going to like this, but we're going to change it to PD the Pirate, and here it is. Enter your name and program area. Professional photo is optional. If you include a blah, 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 blah. Basically, this part we do not need to include, so I'm going to delete it. There we go. It's gone. And if you want, you could change the fonts. Here's the font. If you'd like to change the font to PD the Pirate and Arial. And you can make it bold if you like. And so there's a lot of things you could do. But for this course, and also for your portfolio, if you're in the MS program, or generic format would be fine. You pass flying colors. So anyways, I made changes that I would see fit, and now I am going to save as. And I only save as just because I want to make sure it's in the right folder. I'm going to say save as, because it might be in a different folder, like over here or wherever, but I'm going to make sure it's in the same folder. Click save. Do I want to replace it? Yes, because I made changes. It's done. There you go. Now, what we're now going to have to do is add some files, right? So these are going to be live links. And so what we want to do is create these 5 files and we want to, basically these are 5 separate HTML files, right? Projects, philosophy, resume vita, career goal, summative evaluation. I'm going to show you how to do 2. So what we need is a new file, and we will call it new. Go to new. And I'm just going to simply type in philosophy. That's my philosophy page. I'm going to change the font. And over here, I'm going to click over here, and I'm going to click on the align right, and I'm going to type in main page, and that's going to be a link to go back to the main page. Okay? And I'm going to save. It's going to ask me for a page title that would go up here, so I'm going to type in philosophy. You can, whatever you would like to name it, that'd be fine. Philosophy.html, okay, yep, that's it. Click save. Okay, and we just created a new fit page. If I go back over here, there's the MS in Instructional Technology. If I want to go to change the title for that, I go under, let me show you, I did it kind of fast, Page Properties, and I will call it PD's Portfolio, MS Portfolio. Now, if you are an MS student, you also want to download, let me show you. Over here, you would want to download another template, and it's for your projects, portfolio projects. And you would just do the same thing as we did before, save the link down to your folder, and we will now open up this file. I already did this using Blue Gryphon, and I will open this file for PD. It's actually in here. Here it is. And let's change this to PD. PD the Pirate. And down here, what I want to do is create this another additional link. Click on the over and make it right into it, called main page. And that's again a link back to the main page. So if I go back over here, essentially I have this page for the projects. I have this page for the philosophy. So that there we go. Now, for the MS students, now what you need to do is create a page for the resume vita, career goal, and some evaluation, just like what we did for philosophy. It would look like something like this. The program projects won't look like that. Now, for the MAED students and the non-instructional technology students, let's take a look at your template. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go. Well, here's an intro to Dr. Slaughter von Trion. That's Dr. Slaughter von Trion's name there, portfolio. That's kind of fun. For this one, you would have personal biography link, accomplishments link, and sample of instruction link. And so it's going to be 3 pages for MAED students and also non-instructional technology students. In the next screencast, I'm going to show you how to link those pages. Because right now they're 3 separate pages, right? But now you're going to have to figure out how to link them together. And that's what we're going to do in the next screencast. I'll see you there, or see you then.